CNC machine shops face a critical gap between design offices and the shop floor, losing out on profits, uptime, and overall efficiency. Solving this digital disconnect requires an innovative, holistic digital approach. Effective job planning starts with centralized job management and generating accurate setup sheets. Create accurate 3D multi-brand assemblies. Get tool recommendations with an intelligent tool advisor and calculate optimal feeds and speeds tailored to your specific machining operations.
As a shop manager, flawless job planning is my priority. If the floor is missing a tool or a setup detail, production stops. With MachiningCloud, I manage the entire process digitally before we cut a single part. I organize complete tool assemblies into specific job folders, review the setups, and instantly share the exact requirements with my operators. Everything is planned, documented, and ready to run.
Stop searching and start machining. Our built-in tool management solution allows you to search, track, and maintain your entire physical and digital inventory through one seamless interface. A simple and effective digital hub for your most valuable assets without the cost or complexity of traditional enterprise software.
As a CNC programmer, my biggest bottleneck used to be finding the right tool and cutting data for tough jobs. Now I just use MachiningCloud's Tool Advisor. I input my material and operation, and it instantly filters through dozens of catalogs to hand me the exact tool assembly and the manufacturer's recommended parameters. No more guessing, no more paper catalogs.
Precision is only as good as your data. We provide data compliant with ISO 13399 and GTC manufacturer-certified 3D models, all sourced directly from nearly 100 catalogs from industry leaders and growing. Finally, direct integration is essential. By exporting validated data directly into your preferred CAM or other industry solution, you ensure zero manual data entry and zero human errors.
As a CAM programmer, manually building tool libraries from paper catalogs wastes hours and risks catastrophic machine crashes. With MachiningCloud, manual data entry is gone. I just take the tool assembly built for the job and export the exact 3D models and cutting parameters directly into my CAM software. My simulations are perfectly accurate and my programs are collision-free.
Streamline your process to drive measurable expected outcomes. 50% reduction in tool assembly and setup time, 80% faster programming via direct CAD/CAM data export, 20% increase in tool life through validated feeds and speeds, and 100% data accuracy. MachiningCloud is the comprehensive platform that delivers this solution. Sign up today for as low as $39 a month. MachiningCloud, own the process.